Hello, good evening everybody. Notice, a public notice to all manufacturers and producers. A new way to reach the global market without paying for advertising. A revolutionary marketing opportunity is now open to all manufacturers worldwide. Instead of paying for advertisement, participating companies may promote their products directly to the global Pi pioneers community by offering them the global consensus value or GCV of Pi, which is the 314,159 US dollars per coin. So how it works? Here it is. Manufacturers list their products to be shared with Pi pioneers. Second, buyers pay a small portion in local currency or that's the fiat money, and the remaining balance of it in Pi based on the GCV rate, of course. Now, the global consensus value rate applies for transactions ensuring fairness and real-time value. So, no advertising fees are required. The product itself becomes the advertisement when shared through the Pi community. This initiative connects innovative manufacturers with millions of verified Pi users worldwide, fostering real trade and global visibility. Then, why join us? Of course, you have to join us because you have to save on advertising cost. That's number one, a very big solution in your business. Reach the growing worldwide network of pioneers. Promote genuine digital transactions. Be part of a trusted decentralized marketplace. And this is just a limited time opportunity. Interested manufacturers are encouraged to participate early and feature their product in the Pi community network. Well, for details, contact our team and the one who shared this video and start promoting your products through the Pi Global Consensus Value Program today. So that's all. And again, good evening to everybody. Bye-bye.